Alright, we are boating again on Richard's boat. There's a man, the captain, Captain Rich. Bird has just got back from work. It's been a rush, but sunglasses are down by the TV, darling. Looking like a beautiful day. Bella, Bella?
Yeah,
Bella, Bella, we're going on a boat trip? On a boat trip, Bella? Alright. Penarth for the weekend. Here we come.
Sun has just come out. Well, for about 2 seconds. I've gone back in. We have Bella, the Boaty dog. Sleeping. Then, and Richard. Captain Richard. And me. The bird. Can you believe this? This is in the Bristol Channel. The water is like getting to like glass. Let's say it. That's better. Oh, Bella was getting on the action again. Bella dog. There's Penarth in front of us.
In the sun in a minute, and that
Barrage is over to the right. Bella. Oh look at Bella. Bella Wella. She always wants to be in on the action. So here we are. Ben with the drone. He's going to attempt to fly the drone outside of this boat in open water. Just pan around. A little fishing boat. Oh, there's Challenge Wells who are on our Instagram account. Then, Bella dog, Richard. Well, that went well, didn't it?
That didn't work too well.
Attempt 2. Let's see how this goes. Right, he's moving to the bow. Just Ben's second attempt from the bow now for the boat. The drone. Droney. He's up in the air. He's doing. Going backwards? Oh, Ben.
Yeah, this try and land it here. This thing goes backwards. It's going backwards.
Back front.
No, it's just going backwards, not flying backwards on its own without you controlling it.
Oh, well done then. beautiful. A bit of sunshine has broken through. Looks like the green countryside over there. Wells. There's us, me and Rich. Ben's messing about the drone down below, trying to recalibrate it. Gorgeous. It's open water that way. There you are, Ben's moaning again because he wants to film the train.
Calibrate it.
I don't know, there's something wrong with it. If it flies backwards, then I know there's something wrong with it.
Okay.
If it just hovers, then it's alright and I'll just fly out.
No, don't fly out here, because look, the canopy, you've got to get back in here.
Well, I can see the hover good.
No, there's something wrong with it. So that was an unsuccessful flight of the drone. There's something wrong with it, and the thing just flew backwards. Replaced all the blades, and it still did the same thing. Yeah, I didn't lose it. Anyway, let's go in more. You get a nice little shot of the boat. I realised that it's not behaving. Doing what it should do.
At least you've got some footage.
Got one.
And then let's follow the water. Yeah, we'll go port side.
Getting your light on first, then, yeah? They follow us.
Yeah, they're coming in. There we go. Back in the same spot we were with Alan's boat a few weeks back. Beautiful. Right, babe?
Huh?
All right.
Yeah, just take me very,
All right. Happy days. Join us next time as myself and Rich give B24 and Corsara a bit of a clean up. Take the drone down to the beach, fire her up, see if she's still playing up. Get her in the air, see if she comes back. Let's go.